drop it in the water.
I'm not. Not you.
This must be really thirsty.